Okay, part two. So then here would be the other hairless. So this, and then the homozygous recessive would end up being lethal, a lethal combination of alleles, and would not survive. So then in this case, we would conclude like, oh, all right, so if homozygous dominant was normal hair, and then heterozygous is equal to hairless, let's see if that matches our original observations. So up top, originally they told us that hairless, which we're thinking now is heterozygous, is crossed with a normal. Let's see if that produces half hairless and half normal. So we can do our Punnett square. And yeah, half our offspring would end up being normal, and half our offspring would end up being hairless. So to answer the question, how do you account for the results of the first cross? Well, the first cross shows us that heterozygous is hairless, and homozygous dominant is normal. So it's a case of incomplete dominance here. Then if we look at cross number two, the unusual ratio that we observe, that's a clue that one of combinations of alleles is lethal. Now, if they had told us that the ratio was a 2-to-1, if they had told us, oh, the ratio was a 2-to-1, that would have told us, well, here's the 2, and then little b was viable, and the lethal would have been the first one. But because the 2 was second, it lets us know that the lethal combination is the homozygous recessive.